Oh, you gotta be kidding.
Go, Battery. You want some more?
For Pete's sake.
Well, look at me. Anthony, look at Mommy. Oh, did you find something? Anthony, look at that one. Holy cow.
Kitty!
Alright, let's go find some big ones. Let's leave some for Anthony. Let's keep going. Come on, Will. Keep coming this way. Keep coming. Look, we got some eggs over here.
Gotta get them all. Gotta get them all.
Yeah. Come on, bud, this way. Will, this way. Come on. Will, this way. Come here. Come to Mommy.
There they are.
Look up here. You see the egg up here? Look at Mommy. So pick it up. Get the big egg. Look at Mommy. Look at Mommy. Hey, Will. Will, look at Mom.
Oh.
Where's the purple one? Get the purple one. Get that purple one. Get in there. Oh, yeah. Yeah. Come this way. I see one.
Oh, my goodness.
Keep coming. They're hiding. They're hiding. Do you see them? Watch out, you almost stepped on one. There. Will, look at me. Will, look. Look at me. Hey. She's not looking at me at all. Do you see an egg? In the middle of the grass? How about in the grass? Right here. Where? Look at you! Will, look over there. Look in the tree. Look in the tree. Look at the rope. He found the rope. Can you get it? Woo! There's more. Cow! More. I bet there's more. Keep looking. They're kind of hard to see. In the fire? This one right here. Well, right behind you. Oh, you dropped it. Whoops.
It's the same color as the leaves.
I know.
Here, it's behind you. Look. Look behind you. Anthony's got a full basket!
It's a smaller basket.
I know.
Any more in there? What's over here? Will, over here. Will,
The eggs, Will.
over there.
Look at Mommy. Look at Mommy.
Holy cow, Will.
You just walked past a whole bunch to get to that one.
Will, look at Mommy. Will, look right here. Hello. Will. Will. Look up.
He's like, I want it right now.
Will, put it in your bag.
Time for a chocolate
Put
break.
it in your basket. Go find another one. The wrapper. Get it in your mouth. Okay, put the rest in the basket. Pick up the other ones that you see. Come on, there's lots over there. Well, look at the egg right there. In the corner. Oh, you found one! Good job, buddy. There's more over there.
Yep.
What's wrong with your lawn?
We have dew worms.
You have what?
Dew worms.
We got those at our house too.
Worms. Called dew worms. And they come up and they...
Like centipedes kind of things. And
They make your lawn bumpy?
Yep.
What happened?
They eat up the soil. And...
Will, go put them in the basket.
Go put them in the basket. Buddy, go grab your basket.
Oh. Anthony, I think you have enough eggs. Hello.
Help it.
Put 'em
Help
in
Will.
there.
Help
leave
Will.
It for, leave it for Cousin Will. Put it in Will's basket. Yeah, help Cousin Will.
He doesn't have many in his.
Well, he does. Just a big basket.
It's just wider and bigger.
Do you see any more, Anthony? that you couldn't help us
lots
with?
of eggs.
I see a couple more over there.
Oh yeah, they're
Will,
just
pick
so
'em
hard
up.
to see.
Get him, Will. Put it in the basket for Cousin Will.
He's got all the huge ones.
There's another one.
Yeah, we only found like one or two huge ones. The rest were all the...
Okay.
Well, there's still some
No,
little
there's
ones
like
along the
4
way today.
cucumbers in there.
Well, we can even them out.
Look
Will,
at the fence.
Will, look along the wall. Look along the fence.
He dropped his basket.
Get up!
Where's his basket at?
How do I go?
Yeah, okay. Well. No, there's a whole bunch on there still.
I went on cleanup duty over on the other side.
Will, Will.
Okay, in a basket. Show Will, where do you put him?
Wait, I think I see a gold one over there.
Where?
Over there.
Yeah.
Other way.
In the corner.
Will, go get it. Go get it, Will. No, stop. Stop. Turn around. Turn around, Will. There it is. On the fence. No, yeah, yes. Warmer.
Oh, yeah! Will gets it! Good job, Will!
All right, there's more.
Go, Will,
Come
go.
on, Anthony, you gotta go find him.
Right there. Help Cousin Will. I see it, Will.
Will, Anthony, look at us. Look, smile and wave. Hello, up here. At Auntie Dee Dee. Look at Auntie Dee Dee. Oh, he's looking for more stuff.
Oh, oh, there's one. I see one, Will. Look. Way over there. A pink one. There's a pink one.
Oh, no.
Is there any more? Yeah. Thank you, Will. Thank you, Will.
That's his basket.
That's Will's basket.
Okay,
Your basket, Anthony.
you know what? I think you guys missed some way over here.
Let's go look over here. I see some more. Oh, look at. Oh. You guys okay? Okay,
Did you get
I'm
that
excited for us.
Big Dad got that one.
Oh, look at the fence. The fence over here.
Quite nice and warm. It is nice and warm. A lot better than yesterday.
Well,
Windy.
Glad we waited till today.
well, just a little while ago it was windy and the house kind of cold.
Will. Quick, over here, Will.
It's because of the
Before
baby.
it gets them all.
Put it back.
Good job. Good job.
Thank you, Will. Let's go
you.
find another one.
Some more? Are they all gone? Are they all gone? Will's got such a concerned look on his face.
I think we got
Getting uncomfortable.
Yes.
Put any in the fire? Yeah.
We did, but we got them.
You did get one? Yeah.
I think so.
Yeah.
Where's the Easter egg go?
I know, you gotta help Will find him. Oh, there's one over here. Oh, there's some more.
Oh, yeah, those.
Hurry, Will,
Run, Will, go get him before Anthony does.
Down here. Down here.
Will, run. Run, Will, run.
Hit her cut her spine. Run. Let Will get him, man. Let Will get him. Good job, you guys. Good job, Will.
Good
I
job.
got it.
He took all of them.
Yeah, I already looked over there. We got them all.
Yeah.
Oh, wait, wait.
Oh, is there more?
There's more.
Anthony, is there another one? Is it in the train?
Will,
Look in there. What's in the train? Oh my goodness, it's a mother load! Is it?
There's like 4
there's
eggs.
like 4 in there.
4 little ones? Oh.
Awesome.
Put them in this basket.
Okay.
Are we done? Good job, guys! Wow, look at mommy eggs! Yay!
Give Anthony his and
Anthony, here's your basket. And this is Will's
You want to
basket.
come and give me a hug?
Hey, Will!